everybody. Today we're going to talk about hiding a SharePoint list or a library if you don't want people to see the actual data source information and you want them to use your app. Now this is not security by any means, but it'll make it a little harder to access it. So here's my site I have up. We're going to target this library right here called Documents. Okay. I have a Power App here, and I have my flow. Okay. I'm going to teach you how to set both these up, but this is the one I've been using in the past. All I added was a label and a toggle and trigger my flow. So when you check this toggle, it hides the library. If you untoggle it, it unhides it. Okay. So what we're going to do is, this is the library I just showed you. As you can see right now, it's here. I'll do a refresh just to make sure you see it. So see, it's still here. So we're going on our Power App. We're going to toggle this thing, give it about 5 seconds. And then we'll come back in here, and you see it's there right now. But when you refresh this thing, boom, it's gone. And it'll also be gone from search. Okay. So you come back in here. If you want to bring it back, you just untoggle this, wait about 5 seconds, come back to your site contents. As you can see, it's not here now. Refresh. Boom, there it is. So you can see this does work. Now the way you do this is, first we're going to do is we're going to set up our flow. Okay. This is an instant cloud flow, and I only have 2 steps. First step, I pull in my site URL, I bring in my library name, and what I'm doing, this is either a true or false thing. If you set it to true, it hides it. If you set it to false, it unhides it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to do an HTTP call to SharePoint. We use our variables for site URL here. We do a post, and we do a getByTitle API call with the library's display name. Now, the headers are a little usual. Okay, we're doing an HTTP method, and we're doing merge. Since we're only updating a couple things and leaving the rest the same, you want to do a merge. If you do a replace, it's going to blank out all your properties. That's not what you want. And then you get your standard headers here. You get your accept, your content type, and they both have application JSON, odata, verbose. And then you have your if match, which is everything. Now in the body, we're setting our metadata property with a type of SharePoint.list, which is basically lists and libraries. We're setting 2 properties, the hidden to whichever action we're doing, and no crawl to the same action we're doing. So if you set them, if they're both here, it's going to hide it from search and site contents. And if you put it to false, it will show them to site contents and the search. Now coming back to our SharePoint or our Power App, I only utilize 2 properties here. Okay, so come out of play. Okay, I can show you this. There's 2 properties, on check and on uncheck. Okay, so you don't want to do on change because you can't switch it. Right? So that's why I like toggles, because you can use on check and uncheck. So the on check, this is the name of my flow, and then I'm invoking a run command. See here, up here, we're doing our site URL here. We're doing our library here. And this is our action, okay? So for the onCheck, I have it set so it hides it. So this is set to true. And then when I go to uncheck, same thing, site URL, library name, and what our action is. Pretty simple, right? I will put all these formulas and stuff in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I hope you have a great day.